Alright, welcome everybody to this video. Actually, we created the home page with all the different sections. But take a look at the footer. The footer right now, we don't have um, links for social media. We don't have links for um, like call to action inside the footer. You should add that to the footer. So let me go back to the Thrive dashboard. Let's go to the Thrive theme builder. Just gonna open it in a new tab. And once you opened the Thrive wizard, Thrive theme builder, you'll be able to modify the footer. So I'll go to the footer section, and inside the footer section, you're gonna see that we have different shapes for the footer. So I'm gonna click on the logo social here and try to change the logo or the footer to something else. So notice we have different types of footer. One with different sections, one with social links and subscribe, one with phone number and contact information. So I just gonna choose the first one of these footers. So I'll go with this one, and I need to modify the general information inside the footer, including the about us section and the rest of the section. But now I'm just gonna click on choose to preview the footer. Once you do that, you can scroll all the way to the bottom. You're gonna see we just updated the footer, so we can get started with this footer. In order to get started with the footer changes, we need to go to the Thrive dashboard, and from this settings, you're gonna see we have Smart Site section called Smart Site. And Smart Site, you can change the different information regarding to this business. So I gotta go to the Chat GPT right now, and I need to actually before going to ChatGPT, I need to add the address of the business. So this is the address of the business with the address line. So yeah, so we're gonna work with this address. It's the city is Kenner, and Louisiana, LA. State is LA, and this is the address, postal code, and country is US. All right, USA. So this is basically the address of this business. So I'm just gonna click save. So we gonna update the address. And after this, notice here we have like dot after. I'm gonna take it out. We have the name. The name of the business is basically Adil Towing. So that's the name of the business. All right, so we're gonna update the name inside our smart site, global site. The text is gonna be Global Towing. This is the name of the business. All right, and the phone number that we're gonna use is the same as the one that we got it in the side of the website. So this is gonna be our phone number. The phone number. All right, for the email address, we can use basically info at adultowing.com. For Facebook page, of course, we're gonna make a Facebook page. So that's gonna be the link for Facebook. It's gonna be Facebook. The link is invalid, so we can make any link now. So let's say adult towing right now. We're gonna make another link to Instagram. So this is gonna be Instagram. And I think that's it. Instagram and Facebook are enough for this type of business. And after that, let's go to the page, scroll all the way to the bottom, So notice here we got Facebook, Instagram, and this is we got the work time for this business. So basically we can modify it as well. All right. This is the business email. All right. So let me go back to the generated page, edit with Thrive, in order to modify the rest of the settings. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, we got this section, the footer. So we can edit the footer and edit all the section related to the footer. So here we got the working time, so we can say 24/7. All right, this is the working time. This is the phone number, the privacy. We can change it to something else. We can change it to global field email address update. For this settings, we can go ChatGPT, replace this text. Alright, just gonna be general here with ChatGPT. I just ask it replace this text. I'm not sure if it's smart, but yeah, it's smart enough to understand what it means. So at Adel, towing service, recommended, yes. Focus on Kenner in the previous text. I need to focus in Kenner. On Kenner. Yeah, I think that's really good. So now after you change that, we're gonna replace it with our text, and I'm gonna save the settings, save the work and save the setting. So for the working hours, because we are working 24/7. So let me try with ChatGPT. So the time now, but we work 24/7. So let me see what ChatGPT come up with. Yeah, 24/7. How to say all days. Okay, so let's say 24/7 all days. So let me try to replace that text. Okay, let's make it Monday to Friday. Let me say 24/7. All right. So for this about section, actually we could do something else here. So I can take out these sections and go here, try add a menu. So let me see, menu or custom menu. So we'll put it here. And for this custom menu, I'll make it a standard drop down. Use WordPress menu. I'm gonna use the main menu for this footer. And I'm just gonna use a symbol vertical menu. It's gonna be vertical, and it's gonna be in this format. All right, so we're just gonna put it here. All right, and for this section, actually, this is the custom menu. We're gonna go to the background. It's gonna be transparent because I'm not gonna put a color. Okay, and for the item inside the menu, for the items inside the menu, yeah, we have these items. Okay, so we can customize actually the look and feel. If we choose here, like this is the typography section, we can choose white. Okay, and on hover we can change it to something else on hover. So now it's no, this normal state, this hover state. And this is the active state, so the active state is good. All right, so generally we used to have a background here, but I'm gonna remove it. Okay, for the active one, and for the hover as well, I'm gonna take it out. So active, we're having a background right now, so that's good. So click done. All right, and I think that's pretty much it. We just gonna click on save and preview the page with a footer. So right now you can see we got all these sections. So once you click home, you're gonna be navigate to home. Once you click on gallery, you're gonna be navigate to gallery, and so forth. All right, so that's pretty much for the footer. See you next video.